Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Instagram page. First, let's set up your profile for success. Your username should be clear and memorable, reflecting your brand. Craft a compelling bio that includes keywords and a strong call to action, guiding visitors on what to do next. Don't forget a high-quality profile picture that is easily recognizable. Finally, add a valuable link in your bio to direct your audience to your website or other important platforms. Next, let's talk about your content strategy. It's crucial to define your target audience and understand what kind of content they love. Plan a consistent posting schedule, perhaps 3 to 5 times a week, to keep your audience engaged and expecting your posts. Always create high-quality visuals, whether they are stunning photos or engaging short videos. Lastly, use relevant hashtags strategically to boost discoverability and connect with a broader audience. Now, let's focus on engaging and growing your audience. Actively interact with your followers by responding to comments and direct messages promptly. This builds community. Consider collaborating with other accounts or influencers to expand your reach significantly. Make the most of Instagram stories and reels to share dynamic, behind-the-scenes content or quick tips. Running contests or giveaways can also be a fantastic way to boost engagement and attract many new followers. Finally, it's essential to analyze and optimize your page's performance. Regularly monitor your Instagram insights to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Identify your best performing posts and try to replicate their success with similar themes or formats. Use this valuable data to adjust your content strategy, ensuring continuous improvement. Don't be afraid to continuously test new content formats, like carousels or guides, and different posting times to find what works best for your unique audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.